This will begin part 1 out of our 2 video series. Hi, I'm Caesar and I'm going to show you how to use our World Book database. Any student or patron can access this plethora of information from any place and from the comfort of their home at any time they choose, especially when they need to explore options for research paper topics and other up-to-date current events. It's very easy to use. Here, let me show you. We'll start by searching for alternative energy in the search bar. Under encyclopedia articles, you will see articles based on your topic search, and the number next to it shows how many are available. Click on each one will open up the article. We are going to click on Save to My Research, which will enable you to save articles and other data as we go further along in the database. We'll start by clicking on Save to a new project. From there, click on Create an Account, where you will be directed to create a free account. Just fill out the information and click on Submit. For students, providing an email address is optional. By creating an account, the database offers you an easy way to save, access, and organize your research. This allows you to utilize the full extent of its features and tools. Since we already signed in for the sake of this video, we will be saving our preference data throughout the database video. Under Encyclopedia article, we are going to click on Alternative Energy, where you will find information about the different types of energy, such as solar, wind, geothermal, and nuclear. Each type links to a different page with more information. Under the article segment, you can select the content reader, which will read the text aloud to you.
Solar energy is the direct use of sunlight to produce heat or electric power.
It also has the option of customizing the voice and speed. On the right hand side, click on Tools. It will give you the option to save, where you can download the article as a PDF, save it to Google Drive or OneDrive, or save it to your My Research account as a new project. Share the article via Google Classroom or email. Print will let you print the whole article for your own personal documentation. Citations will cite the current article in either MLA, APA, or Harvard style. By selecting the Media tab, you can access pictures and videos to further your search. Next, we'll click on Back to Search Results, where we have Back in Time, which is additional information about alternative energy over the years, Special Reports, and under More, we have Resource Guides, where you will find the links to relevant World Book resources such as articles and study questions. By clicking on Advanced Search, you can narrow down your search results to find more precise content. You can search for a phrase or the exact words in your search bar. You can also search by date, month, or year for the article that you want. The Browse Options tab lets you search for articles and resources guides by subject or Back in Time, articles by year. This concludes part 1 out of our 2 video series.